Today I am going to make another delicious cake, that is chocolate pound cake. Here we need 125 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar, 20 grams of cocoa powder, 100 milliliters of milk, 20 grams of chocolate, 2 eggs, 100 grams of all-purpose flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and chopped cashew. First, melt butter in a pan under medium heat. Add sugar and cocoa powder into this. When this mixture becomes a bit thicker, add milk and mix. Keep this around 1 to 2 minutes more on fire and then get out. After that, add some amount from this mixture to chocolate and melt chocolate in it. Now separate egg whites and yolks. Beat egg whites until it becomes fluffy. Add salt and baking powder into flour and mix well to combine. Then mix egg yolks with the chocolate mixture. Now gradually add flour. Add egg whites little by little to this mixture and mix. After all ingredients are combined well, transfer this batter to a loaf pan and bake the cake around 30 to 35 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. After baking, get the cake out of the oven and pour the chocolate mixture over this. Then decorate the cake with chopped cashew. I have uploaded many more delicious recipes in my DailyLife.lk site. You can get more details there. Try this cake next time and enjoy. Subscribe my channel to get more videos and don't forget to press the bell icon.